Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to tell you how to register for ISH on SpawnFest. So you have to go to spawnfest.com and you have to click on login. Here you have to continue with Google. Once you click on it, you have to choose the account with your official mail of your college. So if you have already used this platform, you can see your email address appearing like this. But if you have not used it before, you have to click on use another account and you can write your email and verify it here. But in our case, since we already have the mail, what we will do is we'll continue with that mail itself and make sure that you are logging in through the official mail of your college. Now, once you log in, you will be redirected to your profile. But now your work is to go to hackathons. And once you click on this hackathons tab, here you will see the enlisted internal Smart India Hackathon of your college. Now, in our case, we can see for VIT Pune, we have enlisted an internal SIH. Here you can see all the details. These are dummy details right now. But yeah, then you have to click on apply now. And now here comes the main part. First of all, you have to do the college email verification. Since you have logged in with the official account itself, you have to just click on send code and it will be automatically verified because you have logged in with the same account of your official email address. But if you have logged in with the personal account and here you type your official mail address, in that case you will be receiving an OTP that you have to type in the box that would appear here. But no need of it if you're logging in through your official email address. Then you have to fill rest of the details as well, like your username, email. Username is something that you can assign to yourself. Email should be official email address of your platform, official email address of your college. Then your first name, last name, your phone number, and gender. Now, though confirm application is appearing here, if you click on it, it will be taking you to the next step where you have to choose your branch. Suppose computer engineering, year of study, suppose third year, your PRN number, and the institute name. Of course, in our case, it is VIT Pune, right? Once you have filled all these details and your email is verified as well, you have to click on confirm application. Now, once you do this, you have two options. Either you can join an existing team or you can create a new team. So let's create a new team. So suppose you can enter any team name. I'm typing Dreamers here. Now I have to proceed and yeah, it helps us to actually register our team and it also gives us a team code that you can share with your teammates to join the team. Now, here you can see. And you cannot edit the team name, so choose it wisely. And you can directly share the team code that you have. Either you can directly share the team code or you can directly share the link along with the team code as well. And in this way, you have successfully registered for for internal SH of your college if it is registered on SpawnFest. Thank you.